Guys, I was asked to make two videos, but since they kind of have like the same stuff, I decided to just make one. So, basically what the video is about is cheating and heartbreak. Question uno. Have I ever had my heart broken? Of course I've had my heart broken, hasn't everybody? It wasn't a big deal for me, like, I didn't break down or change a lot. I just was like, ouch. This is what I get for hurting so many people, and then I kind of like moved on. Because there are like so many people, like, does it really damage you that much to be hurt? No, I don't know. Didn't do nothing to me. Question two. Am I a cheater? No. I am officially not a cheater. I am like Cheaters Anonymous. I officially have stopped cheating because it's not cute. It hurts a lot of people. And more importantly, since I've been hurt, I got to see the other side of the situation, and it just really sucks. So I've decided to turn over a new leaf. Respect those who respect me and all that other crap. Thank you guys so much for the requests. I am happy and surprised that people actually watch my videos. Well, not really. I'm happy. Not really surprised because I'm kind of cool. But I am surprised that people actually sent requests. So thank you so much, and just keep doing it. I love all your questions. I'm gonna start making more videos because you help me. Thank you.